Hi everyone. This is sort of a follow-up to the workshop that I gave on using Kahoot. So you can remember that there's two websites. The first one is that you give to your students is Kahoot It. And this is where they go to log in with the game number that you're going to give them. And if you go to the bottom here where it says getkahoot.com and click on that, that brings you to this site, which is where you sign in to see all your Kahoots. So I'm going to sign in and hopefully I can remember my login. So you're going to have to sign in. Oh. And here we are. Okay, so now that we are in the Kahoot, remember at the workshop I showed you at the top left-hand side of the screen are my Kahoots. Okay, so that's where your created Kahoots will go. If you want a new Kahoot, you're going to click on the purple link, New Kahoot. And public Kahoots are here, which you can search for virtually almost any topic. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my Kahoots. If you remember, we were looking at Canada. That's the one I believe I showed you that day. So I can click on it. And it will show me all of the questions that I made and the time that I have allowed for the students to answer the questions. Okay, so this one has 13 questions. Now, if I go back, if I want to edit my questions, so you remember that I'm going to click on the edit icon, which is here. So I click edit, and here's where I will have to click the little pen here. Okay, so if I want to edit my question, here I can edit it. I can change my time limit. I can add media here, which is really easy to do. If I want to add a video, I can click on the video and I can just cut and paste my YouTube link. I can even tell, I can say where I want my clip to begin and end. Okay, and then my answers here are where I write my answers. And I need to click, of course, on the correct answer. You can credit your resources here for copyright purposes. If you're using the public domain, obviously your images don't need to be credited. Okay, so let's see, what else did I want to? I wanted to show you that these are the functions. There's quiz, jumble, survey, and discussion. Jumble is new, so I haven't tried that. I would love to get some feedback if somebody wants to try it. I have only used the quiz function, but so you can explore the different options. Also, if you go to your Kahoot and if I want to send it to a student, then I'm just going to click on the share icon. Actually, no, sorry, that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to open my Kahoot and then up here, I have the link that I want to share. Okay, so it says copy and share this link. That's how you can send it to your students. I'm assuming you're not using all these features. So you can send the link and they can do it again at home. They'll be able to read the questions, or they can play it again and beat their original score. So I'm going back. So remember, when you open your Kahoot, you're going to have to press play to get your code. So when I click on play, and I'm clicking classic, and it's going to give me my PIN. Sorry. That was loud. Okay, so with the PIN, you're going to give that to your students so that when very sorry about that loud noise, so that when they go to play, they're going to add their PIN number here, right? Okay, so that was sort of a summary of what we talked about, and I will add a few notes into the email. There's lots more that I could go over, but that's probably enough just to get you started. If you have any questions, you can always email me, okay? Thanks so much.